All right, we're the Tuneful Trombones, and here's our AI Camp final project and presentation. We were in the NLP side of stuff, so not computer vision or anything. Here's our table of contents. This is what we're going to be going over. First of all, why did we choose this project? The model we used for it, the web scraper we used for it, the website we had to make, and the inputs and outputs of it.
So why this project? So we had three original ideas. One was a Twitter stock review sentiment analysis. One was a Wikipedia page summarizer. And the third was an Amazon review sentiment analysis. For the first idea, we had wanted to make a model that could scrape Twitter data. The model would scrape tweets written about good and bad stocks in the present date. This would output a sentiment summary to let us know what stocks are positive and negative. Our second idea was to make a Wikipedia page summarizer that could scrape through a given page and output a summary. The last idea that we had was a Amazon review sentiment analysis AI that could tell you the average review rating of a product. So the plan that we went with was after we had chosen to do the Amazon review processor, our original plan was to make a model that would accept the link and scrape the reviews, then outputting the sentiment score and a short paragraph about the product. This is the model we chose. So we went with a TensorFlow Keras model. We used a sequential model with 3 dense layers. 2 layers use the ReLU activation function. The final layer uses sigmoid activation to differentiate between positive and negative results.
So for our web scraper, we couldn't find a free online web scraper to collect the text. Everything we found that was usable costed money, so we ended up using one that had a free trial. So the web scraper essentially outputs a list of dictionaries, as you can see. We didn't use most of this except for the review title and review description elements, because those held the actual review text. Our process is we have the web scraper collect text, and then we use a pre-processing function to get it ready for the model, and then we put it through the model.
The website. So for our website template, we chose a website template off of Bootstrap, which is basically just an online site that has templates for websites so you can make your own. We chose one called Grayscale. A few changes we made were HTML and CSS modifications. I'll get into what those are in just a sec. These include changes to text box sizes, images, titles, paragraphs, basically just trying to make the website fit our product the best. We also had to add some other stuff in. Strengths, we felt the model's theme fit well with the product we delivered. It was sleek and kind of minimalistic. The website and the model came together, delivering a polished finished product that I would say we're pretty proud about. There wasn't that much struggle in the website section of the project. The biggest struggle was honestly trying to change the size of some text boxes and stuff because for whatever reason, it was extremely confusing. And there were thousands of lines of CSS styles that we had to sort through to figure out which ones are which. Here's how we actually implemented the code. So we use Flask, which is a framework that allows us to integrate our Python code into the website, which let us add our model to the site in our other code. HTML is a coding language that is used for web development, like websites, of course. It's what we use to edit our template and actually change the site from the basic template that we'd received. Finally, we use CSS, which is a rule-based language that describes how websites should be presented. It allows you to make variables, essentially, that describe how text should be presented. So you don't need to specify things like height and color every time you add more text. And this is the thing that had like tens of thousands of essentially variables for ways to customize your text. So we had to look through those.
Inputs and outputs. For our inputs, our website has an input box where the user can paste in their desired Amazon link that they want to learn more about. The user would then click submit and allow the website to load as it scrapes through the reviews and crafts a response. Output. The model will output an overall sentiment score along with the brief summary of what the user thinks.
And we have a short little video of it working because it takes a bit to load, so it'd be tough to actually show it right here.
I don't think you're streaming the audio.
Is it not? You don't need the audio, it's fine. And yeah, here you can see the results where it outputs the overall sentiment, which is a score based on the average, I guess, review. And it'll also give you a short little paragraph that will go over some of the reviews and what people said about it, which can also give you a better feel for, general consensus about the product. And that was, hold up. That was our presentation. Thank you for watching.